Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup without mixer step by step. Start by choosing ripe tomatoes and prepping them with basic tools, no blender required. I will guide you through stovetop methods, easy crushing techniques, and gentle simmering to build flavor. You will learn how to strain for smoothness, adjust seasoning precisely, and finish with a creamy touch or a light herb garnish. Gather your tools and ingredients before you begin to keep the process relaxed and efficient. Use a heavy pot to prevent burning and a sturdy wooden spoon to crush tomatoes while they cook. A fine mesh sieve or chinois will help you achieve a smooth soup without a mixer. Keep reserved broth or water nearby to thin the soup to your liking and taste for salt and acidity as you go. Start by searing tomatoes in a bit of oil to deepen flavor, then add aromatics like onion, garlic, and a bay leaf. Crush tomatoes with a spoon as they soften and simmer gently until they collapse and flavors meld, usually 25 to 35 minutes. Push the mixture through a fine mesh sieve for a smooth texture, return to the pot, and finish by adjusting salt, acidity, and a touch of cream or olive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.